wankyo nioshe hilo jagira white alafu nichote. Asor mahal
no nama ka koma bo. Kinunina buja, mama be iskan nunina buja. O koru eu veneno. Anche da qua finiti. Hi.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Magiboke from Kenya. Welcome again to this video. Wherever you're watching from this video, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends with the time you are watching from. Thank you so much for all who subscribe to me. If you are new here, please subscribe to me, share, comments, and like. Thank you so much, guys. Keep tuned up to end of this video. Today I'm not going to the work site because yesterday I get injured. So guys, today I'm not going to work because yesterday my knee got injured. Can see. I feel the pain from inside my knee. That is why today I'm not going to work. Keep tuned, keep watching up to the end of video. Thank you. So today, guys, I'm going to do some few things. To do some few things. Some few things like. I want to cook traditional foods today. I start with the busara. I'm just already cook, and and for now I want to cook these beans with the brown ugali. You see, I'm already put the water to the nyongo. This is nyongo. This is the pot. Pot. I want to use this to cook my beans and keep tuned. Today I go to cook brown ugali. Okay, guys, you see here I'm continue prepare these beans. I want to cook this with the brown ugali, as you see. See, guys. Oh, okay. I have a visitor here.
Hello,
Welcome.
Maggie.
Welcome,
Hello.
welcome.
Thank you very much.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
Yeah.
I'm just preparing this one. This
Beans.
beans.
The beans.
Yes.
You
yes.
want to cook them?
We did the brown ugali.
Wow.
Oh, welcome. I have a visitor, guys, here. You'll be here visiting me with Lona. Say hi, Julie.
Hello, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you are getting this video. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Maggie, for hosting me in your channel. Actually, I have a channel by the name Julie B, the capital B. Check me in there. Subscribe, comment, and like. Share my videos, and also subscribe to Maggie Boke. Comment and like and share her videos. Guys, it has been a while. It has been some days since we met. I think from the day that we had a birthday party for my girl. We have not seen each other, and I decided to come and check her to know how she's doing. Yeah. Right now I'm here and I can see she's just preparing some beans. She told me that she's going to cook them with the brown ugali, and I can't wait to have that food. Yeah, guys. Thank you. Keep tuned. Keep watching. We love you all.
Yeah, guys, it is a fine morning, good afternoon, good evening, good morning from wherever you're watching this video from. It's a fine morning that you have woken up. Yeah, today we have decided to come and visit our friend here, Maggie Boke. It has been, I think, a week since we finished our birthday party. We have never met. So today I told Julie, let's go and visit our friend and see how she's going on.
Yeah.
And we have come here and found out that she's preparing some beans. And she has told us she's going to cook it with the brown ugali.
Yeah.
So guys, I can't wait to have that delicious meal today. It's a traditional food, but it's going to be very sweet. So keep tuned, keep watching. Also, Julie has a channel by the name Julie B. You can go there, subscribe, share, and give comments. So guys, we love you so much. We are one people, one love. Keep tuned, keep watching until the end.
So Maggie, it has been a while. It has been a while since we met. From that day for the party. Yeah, we've not seen each other. So how are you doing? How is everything?
Everything is good.
Mhm.
Yes. yes.
I have not seen you. Maybe I thought maybe I messed up with something. Nasema huenda pengine nilikukosea ndio maana hujaonekana.
No. It is just very busy at the work site. That is why I decided today to rest now because I will get injured to my
Oh, you got your leg injured.
yes.
Sorry.
That's why today I'm free and it's that's I'm busy. That's why. Yes.
So guys, she's here and she's fine, and I'm very glad that she's fine, and I thank God. Yeah.
How is my girl Jenny
And
doing?
Jennifer, she's doing okay, very much okay. Yeah, she's doing very much okay, and I hope you and your family too, you are doing good.
Yes.
Yeah. So guys, everything is okay, and I thank God for that. And guys, please keep supporting Maggie. You know, when she posts a video, she uploads a video there, and later when she comes to check in, and she finds that you have viewed, you have commented, you have given her likes, this encourages her. This really encourages someone. So keep pushing her, keep giving her support. We have a long way to go, guys. So keep tuned, keep watching, and enjoy this video. Yeah.
Now, guys, I want to cook the brown food, the brown ugali, and I'm going to eat with my beans. Keep tuned, guys, up to end of the video. Going to cook brown ugali. This one used to even to cook bosara. This one traditional drink. I'm cooking traditional drink first, and for now I want to cook traditional ugali, brown ugali, and we're going to eat with the beans and the skuma wiki. You see, guys, this is brown ugali. We're going to add unga. Oh, okay. My ugali is ready. My brown ugali. See, guys, my brown ugali is ready now. I want to put in sahani and we eat. Keep tuned. Thank you, guys.
Thank you,
You see my brown ugali. It is ready. Now my ugali, it is ready in a plate. If you see, guys, now keep tuned, guys, up to end. Now, guys, continue preparing my lunch. My beans is ready.
Mama, panini nataka.
My beans is ready.
Toka nipite. Ndoka. Mama.
Now I'm going to add salt. And a Royco cube. Salt and a Royco cube.
Mama, who buys this?
Guys, my food is ready. See, here is my brown ugali, and this one is the beans, and there's some vegetable here. Let us eat. Wow, so sweet. Look, my brown ugali and the beans with the vegetable. It is look so nice, and it is very yummy. Thank you, guys, for watching my video. Welcome to another video. Welcome lunch all. We enjoy Nani together. This food, this traditional food. Keep tuned. I want to show you. Even my traditional drink is ready. You see, guys, my busara is ready. Wow. I'm cooking this at morning, but this time it is 7 a.m. No, p.m. Yes, 7 p.m. This is my Sarah is so ready to drink. Yes, guys, and enjoy my video. Thank you so much. Look at my ugali, brown ugali. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. Subscribe to me, guys. Support me. Thank you so much. Love you all. Bye.